Traders, I'm looking at the US30. Okay, daily time frame. First thing to ask is, where is the draw on liquidity here? If we look left, see the high above these candles. Okay, they have been taken out. This is definitely bullish. However, I'm concerned that it's overextended and we could possibly see a bit of a pullback. We can see that this is already reacting around this level. Okay, you can see the wicks on the candles here. Let's go down to the 4-hour, see what that looks like. Yeah, on the 4H, okay, there's a couple of things about this. There's this thin candle, this green candle here, bullish imbalance. So we'll mark that up as a point of interest. And if we have a look further down, we've got this thin candle here as well. It's pushed out. There's nothing left and right of it. So we've got these two bullish imbalance ranges that we really need to consider. All right, now, look, it's bullish. It's pushed into big resistance. If it breaks this high, we've got this liquidity void all the way through to the next level. All right, and our next port of call in terms of a resistance level is going to be up in here. All right, so we could push through and we're looking to break. Bear with me. We're breaking and we're looking to break. Well, we've broken these highs, so we're looking to break this range, this high back in here. Okay, so something possibly like, look at this. Here we go. Okay, possibly something like that. Now, if we do continue up, this gap back in through here, we should see this travel fairly quickly through this gap, okay, up into these levels here. But where to get involved, that's the question. Now, we can see here already that this has, it's been ranging through here. And, it's hitting liquidity above and below this range. Is that enough to give smart money enough liquidity to actually get involved here long? Are they looking to push off from this level? In other words, have they got enough liquidity to pair their orders here to go long? Or are they going to look to hit liquidity further south under this range? And it's coupled with this imbalance, like the market trades back down. It hits all the stops that are resting under here, and it rebalances, and then we get the move. Okay, so that's kind of where I'm leaning at the moment. I don't want to get involved long at this level. All right, I want to see it push back down, and I could consider a buy down in around this imbalance. Right, so that's how I would be looking to get involved with this. And if that's the case, there's two ways to get involved. One, you can speculate, and the other way then is to follow it and watch it into the London Open or the New York Open. But if you're going to speculate, then a limit buy, something like that, targeting these highs here would be one idea. All right, and at this point you could pull your stop loss to break even and hang on to this. Right, pull your stop loss to break even. It's risk free, and see if we can get 4 or 5R out of it. Right, so that's the other idea. 4.6, 4.7, something like that. All right, or you can watch it on the 15-minute chart and follow it down. I won't go into this. I've done so many videos on this, but it trades down, lower time frame, wiggles around in here, and then we get the move. Okay, so just watch it, see if we get it trades bearish, ranges down in here, we get a bit of a stop hunt, and then we see higher highs and higher lows kicking off, and then that's the opportunity potentially. I don't want to get involved long at the current level. Okay, I really want to see a pullback, and if that shapes up down in here, then I'm interested. Guys, that's my take on the US30 right now. And yeah, leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts, definitely. And with that, I hope you have a fantastic day. Safe trading. See you in the next video.